So in the last video what we understood was how to edit, right? So today we are going to do something a bit more in depth about the editing part of it, that how the rest things needs to be changed, how the thing needs to be worked out. So what we need to do, so let's say if I want to change this image, so I'll first check what is here. So in that case I need to first check, edit the section, understand the whole thing, where is it exactly. Okay, so need to check exactly the image. So first you need to check, this is the main image, right? So we need to first check the details. So you require a 1200 by 801, so somewhere like a 1900 page, 1900 to 180 you require. So what we'll do, first we'll download something. So let's say handwriting analysis. We'll do some kind of image, right? So let's say this is something about it, but we want a bigger image. Yeah, so what we'll do, (1920) into 1080, right? A bit bigger. Yeah, something of this sort of an image, right? So what we'll do, once this has been properly done, right click, save as image, right? So again desktop, websites folder. So once that's been done, you need to come back over here. Again you need to upload that file. Select upload, right? Upload it.
So we'll get this images over here only, or like if we want something else we can do it from Google also?
So you need to download it.
From here also we can take
Not exactly. From here you can't download anything. From here you can download. So you need to download that image, you need to upload that image, and you need to start working. Here you need to write alternate. If this image does not get loaded, so what text should be shown up.
Okay.
So that way here you need to see. So again you need to always check here. So keywords are very important in internet world. So always try and make sure that whatever you are doing, it's there. So this is handwriting or signature analysis, whatever you are doing, so you need to write it. Okay, same is the case over here. You need to write the whole content, short, alternate text. So this is like an alternate heading that you need to write, and a description about this image. You need to do that and then start inserting it off. Again, as you can see, it has been moving and shaken apart, so that way. So again you can do something which is center left or center, something of this sort, this way. Again this fonts needs to be changed in that case. Again you need to update on that also. So let's say if I want to change this font now, font color basically, so what I'll do, I'll go over here in the style, typography, again automatic, whatever the upper lower case is there, text color here, so that way. Same is the case over here, logo, this is like a logo, no? So code pen logo is there. So what I'll do, I'll go over here, style or icon hover, icon color, again I'll choose black, something of that sort, and just update it so that things can be moved that way. Again if I want to, let's say I just love this section, but I want something more to be added. So what I need to do, I need to add a plus over here, let's say, but I don't want everything.
Okay.
Let's say I want these all things, but I don't want something of that sort. So two themes can always be merged together. So what you can do, from here again you can download something, service, that way. Let's say I I want something of this sort, or let's say okay. Okay, what can be done? Let's check. Most of the themes are this way. I guess this can only work out. So what we'll do, we'll take this and it will automatically get inserted. So
Okay.
two themes can be simultaneously inserted. So let's say I don't want this part of the portion, I can just delete this, but I want this part of the portion. I can keep this, I can keep this, okay, but I don't want, so again I want this. So here you can keep this. Let's say I am not doing this stuff, so I can delete this. There is an overview, again world of innovation or something of that sort, whatever you want to keep, and a contact us page in that way. So you can always add, if you want something of a different, so you can always type your contact. So something of that sort. Let's say if I want to add something of this sort, so I can just add that. Right, it got here. So here when I'm adding it up, let's say I don't want, this section, because we have already now,
Yes.
so we don't want this section, but we want something of this sort. So you can start working on that, and this way and this way, it feels a bit good and notchish. So here we can delete this portion of it, we can also delete this portion of it, right, which is like a contact us. If you want to delete over here, nothing, tuck out. Again that way. If you want to, let's say, add a form, let's say you want to add up a form, some kind of a form, like here, let's say here only I want to add up, see here, right. So let's say I want to add something over here, what I need to do, simple. So what you can do is, this is another section, right. What you can do, you can come over here, you just need to drop one more column in this section and a new section would be created, right. I'll delete this off because I want a single form.
Okay.
So what I'll do, I'll go over here, I'll write form, right,
Yes.
and just drag and drop,
Okay.
right. So what I want, so that way I can do, what kind of forms I want. So again, if I want a vertical form, not a horizontal, this is an horizontal format. So what I can do, I can just go over here, so let's say text, this is 100%, I'll do it to 33%, right, update. Again I'll go over here, same is the case, 33%, update. So let's say there are 4 tabs now, 1 2 3 4 till send. So what I'll do, I'll take it to 25% every time, update, right, done. Email, again 25%, this has been done, you can check over here, again this can be done to 25%, right, done. Message, again you can just scroll down, done, 25%, right, update, and input size here. So this is a submit button, no?
Like if we want to add all these
Yes.
things, we can do over
Yes.
here.
So what you can do, this is a submit button,
Hmm.
you can add again this to 25%, see, that way. And let's say if you want to style a bit, so thoda sa color or the field color you need to change, so here you can do that also. So kind of some work can be done from here, some work can be done from there, so you can just update. So let's say this is field, so text color, typographic color, that way you can change it from here, border color. So let's say I want to change the whole background of it, what I can do, I can just change it from here. Let's say from here, let's say some kind of a gradient color, let's say some kind of a gray, something of that sort. So here I can just take some white, and let's say, because there is two colors attached to it, so that way I can always change it from here also somewhere, a subtle blue, and I can always drop it to the lightest part. See, you can see the background is there, but still it's very subtle.
Yes.
That way, so you can do various changes accordingly, whatever you want, that way. So you can take that decisive call how you want to do it. So this is your page, your site, whatever you feel, you can make the changes accordingly. Again, we have done our keyword research very well, so your keyword should be here.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
So your content should be first developed, then put over here, so that the things are going in place and in par with the whole content. So a keyword research is very important before creating a website. Once you have done that, then only start doing this work of the portion. Yes. So we'll end our video over here.
Okay, and like we do on Facebook or like any other website, we get an option like chat and something.
Yeah.
We can do this thing.
So
also.
yes, you can also integrate a chat box over here. There are various plugins. So you need to go into your plugin and you need to check for which kind of chat box. So there is Zoopin chat and there is something called Zenbox chat. Whatever you feel the best, you can always add to your site.
Okay.
Right? Thank you so much.